مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وانتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وانتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي.
But yeah, like I was saying earlier, man, imagine if I had a WR250R. And you know what, man, this isn't over. This isn't over, you know? I'm not gonna let Yemen defeat me like this, because Yemen really took a toll on me mentally and physically this time around. But now I'm gonna try my best and in all my power to come back to Yemen with a WR250R, and that would be just epic stuff to give you guys content on a WR. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you guys realize the type of I can't do much because I'm gonna have a standard motorcycle. But imagine if I had a WR with like knobbies on it, like dual sport tires. I would give you guys adventures that you guys would never even come to. You guys can't get anywhere else, period, because no one knows Yemen like the way I've given it to you guys, man, these past 2 months or whatever. But you know what it all depends on, and a lot of you may prejudge me, a lot of you may think what I'm about to say is bullcrap. It all depends on the success of the channel, honestly. You know what I mean? It all depends on the success of the channel. I have to, this stuff is, you guys think that this stuff isn't free, man. Like all what I'm doing costs money, time, effort. So I don't know, man. Like sometimes when you talk about intentions in terms of channels, people get like feel some type of way. You know what I mean? But the reality is, I gotta make money, man. I can't continue to lose money and give you guys these adventures, man. It's all coming in my pocket, and I'm a broke college student at that. You know, I'm coming here emptying the bank, staying here for 2 months in Yemen, and just, you know, giving you guys this content, man. And I gotta, wow, yeah. So it all depends on the success of the channel, man. If the channel, I don't know. Like when I post this video, I don't know what the state of the channel will be when I end up posting this video. I don't know where I will be in terms of subs and views and all that good stuff. I gotta, you know, like I know a lot of you guys may hate the Teespring campaigns, and you guys may find them annoying when motovloggers do them, but I don't get angry when people do it. I don't. And if you're a motovlogger and you know what it's like to do all this stuff and the time and the editing and the dealing with cameras and uploading and all that stuff, if you guys knew the effort that was behind all of these videos, you wouldn't blame the guy running Teespring t-shirt campaigns, you know, every 2 months or every month or whatever. The dude's got to make money. The dude has to keep the channel going. You know, some people, I don't know motovlog. I don't even know one motovlogger out there that cranks out his own money. I mean, in the beginning, some may do because they're extremely passionate about it, but towards the end, somewhere along the line of the channel, you're gonna run it. Reality is gonna hit you really hard, and you're gonna start thinking to yourself like, "Holy crap! I'm losing money. I'm doing what I love to do, but at the same time, I'm losing money." Yo, screw that, because reality hits hard, man. Oh, look at that dead donkey on the road right there. I want to look at it. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and I'm actually hitting that. I'm kind of hitting that climax, man. I'm hitting that pivotal point where it's like I'm losing money. I'm giving you guys content, but I'm losing money because I'm going through a lot to give you guys this content. So if at any point I gotta run a Teespring campaign, guys, you know, bear with me, man. I mean, I gotta do what I gotta do. And yeah, so that's that, man. I mean, The reality is, I do want to come back and with the WR and have so many aspirations and dreams for the channel. But the fact of the matter is that, man, I got no money to support the channel. So, you know, a lot of people have different opinions. So people that aren't motovlogging and are just have been watching motovlogs for a really long time, they still probably don't know what the heck's going on and what people like us go through in terms of all the trouble and all the money we spend and that good stuff. So we're hitting some potholes and stuff. Man, this guy was ran into the back of that van. The dude is bracing himself back there. I can feel him like tensing up. Denise likes to get there ASAP. I kind of don't blame him. He wants to hurry up and get home because he's been in the city for like, oh crap, bump. He's been in the city for like for so long, you know. But Hustle and Hablook, remember this hill, guys? This is where I did a lot of pan shots in my motovlogger montage. I came up here with a Denise at one point, and we did a lot of we did a motovlog up there. That's the hill up there. But you guys think this is something that all this whole road that I've been through so far, man? Just wait until we have to get on like the actual unpaved roads to get to Denise's house and the actual village. It's kind of a trek. You know what I mean? Can't see because of the sun glare. What's in front of me? I gotta watch out for these potholes. Oh, they fixed this road. That's what's up, dude. You know, I got through that like that, you know? Sometimes you just gotta put like mad trust in the bike. Even though it's super dangerous, it is what it is.